Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, My Dear Forensic Lady, chapter 56. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, it was Song Yuhan who's going to job fair. Seems that everyone is busy. Plumber, 20 bucks an hour. Construction site needs people under 40 years old. Healthy, hardworking. Experienced housekeeper only needs 80 a day. Miss, I've seen you hanging around here for a long time. You're recruiting or looking for a job. Someone is asking Officer Song. Right now, recruit for my boss. I'm looking for a good solid wood furniture specialties. It's better for the craftsman to make it himself. It's finally a big one. The man said to her, you are looking for the right person. Don't look at so many people in the talent market. Not many of them have done well, but it's all in my book. Look at me, I'm so much. Don't tell me I only charge you 3% of intermediary work. Chang San, 46 years old, has been a carpenter for 20 years, and Wang Yu, 40 years old, has been a carpenter for 22 years. Too old and weak. Isi, 24 years old, and Su Bing, 35 years old. Chang people in Binhai province. Su Bing, he is a well-known good craftsmanship. Right now, the phone number Officer Song was looking for. Well, definitely, she got it right at this time. It must be expensive, it's too famous. Thanks, I'll take a look somewhere else. Don't want to overpay, I will find a good man. Oh, right now. Turns out, she was really good at acting. Officer Song, she was calling someone. Sheng Rui, it's me. She was calling Sheng Shu, so she can find Lin Yan. Of course, she really need to see her. Maybe something wrong might happen. Remember that phone number. This is not the number that's Su Bing. Please locate this number and Lin Yan's, then send me both positions. The man said yes. Oh, back to Lin Yan. Freshly caught fish. It was in the market. It's only cheap. Take a look. Now, it was Su Bing. She's walking around the market. Turns out, she has someone, a compliance, and she's been worried on all the people around. How much do you sell this broccoli? Well, it turns out, from time to time, she was looking for someone, but this man seems to be her compliance. Boss, is this fresh? It's fresh. They were just caught this morning. For family rules, we do not sell overnight fish. The man said to Su Bing. Well, the man moved closer. See, you are being followed. The man said to Su Bing. Su Bing, she's not surprised. What is he going to do? Now she knows that she's been followed. Don't look back. The person is a veteran. Along this road, go all the way and go out to the alley. The old eight will pick you off. Nian, she must be in trouble. It's not that as long as I bring Hem Yao, everything will be. I'm not okay. Why are you still afraid your big stomach is gone? Now that the Saucy came to the door, what should you call me? Su Bing said to the man. Don't forget to leave me some good ones. Certainly, you can walk slowly. Been following Su Bing again. The man said, Old 8. Turns out, there's a lot of person on compliance, and they will follow Lin Yan's. It's really bothering. Right now, Lin Yan has been caught on the trap. She's been following Su Bing slowly, but she doesn't know there's someone's waiting for her. Well, on the alley, Su Bing walked faster, and suddenly, Lin Yan stopped. Well, what could it be wrong? Lin Yan, she seems to be afraid of. But right now, all she can do is to follow Su Bing slowly. Well, when she looked back, there's someone person behind her. It was really a trouble. What will Lin Yan's gonna do? Seems that this man will really not get it slide. The man said it's a big fish. Oh, they're really laughing. Including, Su Bing was there. So, there's no bad things will happen to her. Find her easily. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!